Hi everybody, my name is Max Noir and I'm making this video for Tick Boot Camp. I am a Lyme warrior of almost 10 years, and in the last couple of years I finally got into a place where I am feeling good on an almost day-to-day basis, and I am getting out of the house, going to work, having a social life. So as you can imagine, over almost 10 years, I've definitely picked up some tips and tricks that have helped me to overcome my Lyme disease and make sure that my body and mind are stronger on a day-to-day basis. So what worked for me is making sure that I'm focusing not just on my treatment, but making sure that I'm also paying just as much attention to my mental health and my physical health alongside the treatment. So whether or not you're going through treatment currently, to me, it's really important that you focus on your mental health first. So with that, it's important to remember that you cannot do this alone. And sometimes our friends and our family are just a little bit too close to the situation to be objective enough to be that fully supportive entity that we really need. So I find it really, really important and very helpful to make sure that you have a mental health coach who you can sort of go through everything alongside with. The other thing is doing meditative and mindfulness practices, which has helped me a lot. And lastly, self-advocation is the most important thing that I can possibly stress to you. You need to remember that you know what's best for you and the tools that you need to utilize in order to be successful. So you need to talk to people, not just in the doctor's office, but advocate for yourself in the classroom, in the workplace, and with all of the relationships that you have in life, whether it be friends, family, or romantic. But you know what's best for you, and you need to practice communicating these things well. Now, on the physical side, some things that have helped me immensely are taking natural supplements depending on what types of symptoms you're having. So I like to take a turmeric supplement every single day, which is a natural anti-inflammatory, and make sure that my gut issues and my arthritis and other types of pains are a lot more manageable. Next, I do cold therapy a lot because it helps to strengthen your immune system and also your fight or flight tendencies. So I recommend ending every single shower with really cold water while doing breathing exercises. I also highly recommend using a standing desk, which I'm currently using, if you work, and practicing just standing a little bit longer every single day. Lastly, I highly recommend using virtual reality because, like me, I'm sure it's really hard for a lot of you guys to leave the house to go exercise, to go to social settings. So using virtual reality actually enables you to hang out with friends and exercise in a controlled, short-term environment right from the comfort of your bedroom. So this is Max Noir, and I really hope that some of these tips help you guys. Stay strong.